Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss the reason behind the success of Toyota Motor Company as a global market leader in car manufacturing. So dear friend, I have a YouTube channel in the name of Ashish Agarwal Corporate Trainer. You can subscribe to my channel to stay connected to learn more and more technical topics listed on here. So we are going to discuss today the cost plus concept, which is the key concept behind the success of Toyota Motor Company. Usually, there is a universal model how company earn the profit. So most of the company they earn money by making a product, they manufacture a product as per the market requirement, and they determine how much it costs to make the product, what would be the cost of manufacturing, then add a additional margin money over the cost of manufacturing. So they sell the product on this price after adding the margin money over the cost of manufacturing. So this additional money, we can say beyond the cost of manufacturing, is profit. So this is the universal concept followed by companies to decide the selling price of a product. So what they do? They come up with a cost of manufacturing, then they add profit margin, then they calculate the sellable price of a product. So almost every company they used to follow this fundamental model in structuring the profit from their operations. So this is the model every company follow. But there is a big question. If a company is not able to sell the product in sufficient quantity, because to generate the profit, to sustain the profitability of the company, you need a break-even volume. Over that volume only, you can sustain the manufacturing, you can sustain the profit. So if you are not L1, if you are not the lowest one, you may not going to get sufficient business. Your share of business SOB may go down. So what is the answer? Actually, in year 1950, Toyota was at bankruptcy. None of the banker willing to lend the money to Toyota Motor Company. They say if your product is selling, then only we can lend you the money. So when Toyota was at the bankruptcy, one of the founder of Toyota Motor Company, Eiji Toyoda, he made a statement: even if we build an idle car, and if we could not sell it, it would be worthless. The reason is lot of cost is involved in developing a new car, doing R&D, set up a production line to make a new product, to make a new car. So as per Toyota, if we didn't make a car that would sell, the company would go broke. Company will go to the bankruptcy. So what was the answer? So Toyota makes profit. They decided to generate the profit, to sustain the profit. So first we need to determine the price of the product that will sell sufficiently in the market. That was the answer. To overcome the situation, to overcome the bankruptcy situation of Toyota Motor Company. So how Toyota make profit? First of all, they decide the cost of the product. At that price, product is going to be sold in sufficient quantity. Then they reduce cost of manufacturing as much as possible to increase the profitability of the company. So at the planning stage itself, Toyota decide the selling price of the car. On that basis, their engineers go for restructuring of the manufacturing process to reduce the cost of manufacturing. So, to achieve the profit, which is necessary for the sustainability of the company, manufacturing costs required to be reduced. It is a mandatory requirement for any company. The ultimate objective of any company is to earn the profit. Then only the company can sustain. So Toyota earns profit by reducing the manufacturing cost. That is the key principle followed by Toyota Motor Company. This is a key mantra for the success of Toyota Motor Company to become a global market leader in car manufacturing. So this we need to remember, because in a competitive environment, so any manufacturing company cannot decide the cost of the product. Market or customer is going to decide the cost of the product. What should be the ultimate cost of the product? One of the biggest example of this concept is one of the tractor model of Ford Motor Company, which was in the name of 9N. So what Ford decided? Ford set a target for their engineers to make a cheapest tractor. At that time, the cheapest tractor available was of $500 US. So Ford give a target to their team of R&D, team of their engineers, to make a tractor below $500. So over a period of 12 years, Ford produced more than 10 millions of tractor, and that was the most successful tractor during that period. So how Toyota makes profit? So instead of adding the profit margin on manufacturing cost, Toyota subtract the manufacturing cost from the product cost to earn the profit. So please remember this very important thing. We need the customer, we need the buyer. Customer or buyer, they are not dependent on the manufacturing company. So as per the cost plus concept of Toyota, if you go by this animated slide, so if the time period is on x-axis and cost is on y-axis. So we need to reduce the cost of manufacturing continuously to sustain the profit, to earn the profit over a longer period of the time. That is the key mantra behind the success of Toyota Motor Company to become as a global car manufacturer. So my dear friend, if you like this video, don't forget to like the video. To learn more, you can stay connected by subscribing my YouTube channel, which is in the name of Ashish Agrawal, Corporate Trainer. So thank you very much. Please stay connected.